Today is July 26th. Joavi, give Baxter his food. Give it to him. Good boy. Baxter, take it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you're trying to be a nice little boy. Give Baxter his food. Baxter didn't eat his food from last night. Now he's eating it with the help of Joavi. Take it, Baxter. No. Yeah, no, you don't eat it. That's not your food. Not the baby's food. It's your food. I mean, it's Baxter's food. Hey, no.